did some review on the internet and I found Guardian Roofing, and there was a lot of reviews on there, positive reviews. And so I figured I'd give them a shot. I was impressed just from the contact from the very beginning to the driver who was coming out, the employee that was coming out. His name was Ryan, told me the time he was going to be here. He was right on time. We went out and I showed him the roof, and he had agreed that I needed to kick out at the locations that I thought I did. Then I started to talk about this room and all the things I've gone through to try to cool it down. And he said, "Hey, let's go take a look." And so took him out to the side of the house, and he immediately noticed. He said, "Hey, you don't have any bird blocks in these particular locations on your roof to let the air circulate through, so that the air is still stagnant in there." And went up on the roof, did his inspection there. Here's what it looks like. Here's what I saw based on everything else. I think we're good for, and he gave me a number, and it was definitely longer than 2 years. And so that was refreshing. There was no upselling. There was no pressure. And I felt confident that Ryan knew exactly what he was talking about, and he made it very clear for me and painted a very clear picture for me. Again, I don't leave many reviews unless I feel a company goes really above and beyond. And without a doubt, Guardian and Ryan did that in my instance. I will highly recommend Guardian Roofing to all of my family and friends.